बस यही एक पल है. Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Shruti Bhide and I'm extremely happy to be a part of an upcoming wonderful musical event, JashanESahir. This event is being brought to you by Rotary District 3192 in association with Rotary Rajmahal Vilas. This is happening for a very, very noble cause. The venue is JSS Auditorium and the event is happening on the 30th of September. I'm going to be a part of this wonderful event along with a lot of other artists and wonderful team of musicians. So please book your tickets. The tickets are available on Book My Show or you can scan the QR code that is mentioned on the poster. So looking forward to seeing you all in person. Thank you.